To being over, he hasn't killed it yet. Go, bird. Go, bird, go.
Oh my God.
Chill.
It's natural.
Oh, he killed him. He's dead. He's killed him. Go, go, go.
As well as temporary inpatient care for people who are routinely cared for by families. The facility is pet friendly.
Lionel, go. Lionel, go. 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 Yeah, the bird has got blood coming out of it.
Frank, move. They've been all over that area.
Go, Lionel.
Oh my God. No, it's still moving.
Haynes Furniture has made some powerful offers over the years, but Haynes has never given you a big screen TV.
It's the Lion
Any
King.
room of furniture. This weekend, pick out any room of furniture at Haynes, and you get a 32-inch flat screen from Best Buy.
Oh my God.
Get a 51-inch TV free.
He just attacked him. Me either.
What's he waiting for?
The cat just grew on me.
Yeah, now, let's take that home with you. Right.
This weekend, get any room and get a TV free. And you can get 48 months to pay in full with no interest. No interest for the next 4 years. For the 117th anniversary, you get the most powerful offer ever from Haynes. Get any room of furniture and get a big screen TV free with no interest for the next 4 years.
Or into my tent, Lionel. It's right here. Oh, he's so scared. He's battling it out.
Do you think it's got like broken wings?
It has a broken neck. You can tell that it's pushed to one side. There's blood
I kind of
coming
want to see
out.
if it can fly away.
He's trying. When he tries to, Lionel gets him. He knows that he's tired.
Ah, got fucking stung. There's a stinger.
Oh, pull it all the way out, Frank. Go, go, go! Oh! Oh my God!
We understand, which is why we've got the lowest prices on shoes.
Grab Lionel.
Look, its head is backwards around its noggin.
Going on now. And for every $50
Get out of here.
$10 Kohl's cash.
Hey,
No limits.
get out of here. Stop.
The more you know, the more you
Yeah, Frank, you really...
Get the fuck out of here.